known to be a wonder plant with numerous health benefits. मुझे आज भी याद है जब मैं छोटी थी, we used to have an aloe vera plant, which my mom was super obsessed with. From applying to my wounds, to my face, to even my hair, she's done it all. Hi, I'm Niyati और आज मैं आप सबके साथ कुछ incredible aloe vera benefits share करने वाली हूँ. So stay tuned. Tip 1. Treats dandruff. Dandruff is estimated to affect 50% of the people. I too used to have dandruff, which used to get aggravated during winters. So here's a natural remedy that my mom follows and I swear by. Step 1. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf, or you can also opt for a packaged aloe vera gel and scoop a dollop of it out. Step 2. Squeeze out some lemon juice as it contains astringent and antibacterial properties which are going to help fight off the microorganisms that cause dandruff, and add it to the aloe vera gel. Step 3. Mix it all together and apply it to your scalp. Step 4. Massage thoroughly and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Step 5. Then wash it off with a mild soap. Step 6. For best results, repeat this at least once a week. Tip 2. Promotes hair growth. Waiting for your hair to grow can be frustrating and an agonizing experience. You never know how long it's going to take or if you'll ever get that length and thickness that you've always dreamt of. Well, not if you know some good old tricks that have been tried and tested out and handed over from generation to generation. When it comes to hair regrowth, there is no ingredient that is as beneficial and as effective as aloe vera. So here's a quick DIY to promote hair growth using aloe vera and castor oil. Castor oil is an excellent treatment for boosting hair growth and adding volume. Adding aloe stimulates hair regrowth and it also curbs hair fall. Step 1. In a bowl, mix both these ingredients together until you get a smooth and consistent paste. Step 2. Apply this mixture to your scalp and hair and also focus on your roots and tips. Step 3. Once your hair is fully covered in this mixture, cover it with a shower cap and sleep. Step 4. In the morning, wash off this mixture with a mild shampoo. Tip 3. Conditioner replacement. My hair goes through a lot, right from curling to straightening to ironing and a whole lot of other treatments which do nothing but more damage. So I make sure to take proper care of my hair by replacing my hair products with aloe vera. I have recently started using aloe gel as a conditioner as it removes extreme dryness and it stops damage even before it begins. Step 1. So after shampooing, massage a little bit of aloe vera gel and let it sit for about a minute. Step 2. Once that's done, rinse it off just like how you would with a conditioner. Step 3. Repeat this step at least once a week and it will result in renewed, damage-free hair. So make sure to keep the traditional conditioner at bay and try this method. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Do make sure to try out this DIY and let us know how it's worked out for you. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful right here. Until next time, bye-bye.